Want to play PlayStation games on your Windows 11 PC? Good news, you don't need to buy a console. I will show you easy method to install PlayStation in Windows 11. Let's get started. There's actually no official PlayStation app for Windows. Sony only made it for Android and iOS. But you can run it on your Windows PC using an Android emulator like BlueStacks, LD Player, or GameLoop. Step 1. Download an Android emulator. Some of the most popular and reliable options are LD Player and BlueStacks. Open your web browser and go to the official LD Player or BlueStacks website. Be sure to download it only from the official source to avoid any unwanted software. Once downloaded, run the installer. You can choose the default installation settings. This process might take a few minutes as it sets up the virtual Android environment. Once it's finished, open LD Player or BlueStacks, whichever emulator you installed. When BlueStacks or LD Player starts, it will act like a new Android device. You'll need to sign in with your Google account. This is required to access the Google Play Store. After login to Play Store, type PlayStation app in the search bar. Click Install. The PlayStation app will now download and install directly within the BlueStacks Android. This should only take a moment. Once it's installed, find the PlayStation app icon and open it. You'll see the familiar login screen. Enter your PSN sign-in ID. That's your email address and your password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, which you should for security, you'll be prompted to enter that. That's it. You have successfully installed PlayStation on your Windows 11 PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching.